owing to the success of our last product review, we thought we'd do another one.
Okay.
So this is something that I've bought. You've not seen this before.
No.
And I actually haven't even taken it out of the packet. So although I bought it and I know what it is.
Oh, this is going to be a true surprise.
So before we start, I just wanted to ask you a question. So
you're going to sell it to me?
My question is, are you worrying about these troubles?
I mean, where do I start? Am I worrying about pigment? Let's say yes.
Okay. Are you
For the
worried
sake
about
of this.
dust, pencil, clutter, and radiation?
Radiation! I mean, radiation on that list is probably the one that you should worry about the most. Dust, though. Why has it got a picture of chalk?
I like how clutter is in the same list as radiation. Like,
what sort of product have you got? Is this some sort of, like, hazmat suit or something? I don't know.
no, so the product that I have bought for us to take a look at
Okay, right.
and open is this LCD writing board.
What? Okay.
You're trying to work out, aren't you, how that relates to that?
Yeah.
But that is from the advert. If I zoom out, that is the original advert.
Right.
Because obviously you just need to believe in yourself.
Okay, yeah, believe in yourself.
So, I don't know, do you want to open it? Do you want to...
I mean, you should do the honours, really.
Okay.
Made in China?
Made in China. This is from Wish, by the way.
Oh, right, okay.
My favourite place.
Yeah.
Do not disassemble this product without authorisation.
Authorisation from who? The Chinese government?
If the product's unable to work, please contact our after-sales service department for maintenance.
Okay.
Here it is, look. Here it is.
Ooh.
Nicely packaged.
Oh, there's a lot of Chinese on there. I don't think
Okay.
there's any English instructions. Oh, there is. I'll read the instructions, shall I?
Yeah, go on.
You play with it.
Go ahead.
Thank you for your support. Tips. When clearing the written content, the product will have a slight screen flicker, which is a normal performance of the product and will not cause any impact or damage to the user's eyes. That's the very first thing that they tell us about. Please feel free to use it. All right, go on then.
Okay.
I don't even know what it is.
So it's a writing board, and supposedly... Oh, look, there we go.
Okay.
Okay, so apparently
Okay.
that is going to erase it. Should we try it?
Okay, that's good.
I mean, this is actually...
Oh, why are you
It's
drawing
surprisingly...
a penis?
It's surprisingly unshit, though.
That's quite nice, actually. I thought it'd be like, I don't know, pixelated or something. Is it computerized? Is this a computer screen?
I don't know. It's got a battery in it. Have a go.
Right, okay. So, I'm writing, hello. Oh.
It's quite precise, though, isn't it? It's not like... I thought it would be, like, not very responsive.
So I can write...
Can you use a finger? I assume not.
No, you have to use the stylus. You can also write really small, which is good.
Yeah. There were different sizes, by the way. I bought the smallest version because I thought there's no point wasting a lot of money on a piece of Chinese tat.
Well, I mean, this could be useful. You could use this in your everyday life.
According to the front of it, it's saving 100,000 pieces of paper.
Okay.
I'm not sure how they've calculated that.
Yeah. Where do they get those numbers from?
It's also far away from pollution. I'm not sure about that because they have created something out of plastic
that you've shipped all the way from China
and
across the
it's
world.
probably going to go straight in the bin. So,
well, you mean you could save it you could use it to save on those million pieces of paper or whatever it said.
yeah, it's also eye protecting.
Yeah, because a computer screen, if you're using a laptop or a tablet, the screen isn't all that great for your eyes.
But that's like an e-ink screen, isn't it? Like it's not emitting any light.
Yeah, I suppose e-ink is. I assume that's the right word for it. This is quite good.
Oh, there I was thinking it's going to be rubbish. What is terrible, and we can look at in a little bit more depth, is the advert selling it.
Okay.
I already showed you that with the sort of introduction with the, are you worried about these troubles? But there are a few other bits on there that we should probably have a look at.
Okay.
So these are the different sizes that we can have.
5-inch, 10-inch, 12-inch, 8.5-inch.
Yeah, okay. So here's what it can be used for. Children's doodle,
Yeah.
old man writing,
Old man writing!
dumb communication,
Dumb communication.
and post-it notes.
Yeah, okay. This makes sense. You know, you could use this as a reusable post-it note and just leave at home somewhere. And you go, oh,
Do you know what would be really useful?
Thing?
Really useful if it had a magnet on the back and you could just stick it to your fridge and then sort of just come and go, oh, we need some peas or whatever.
Yeah, okay, yeah.
And then just press that when you've done your shopping.
Yeah. So it also says on the instructions, if the written content cannot be cleared, try pressing the clear button multiple times or replacing a new battery.
Okay.
Children's graffiti painting.
Yes.
Oh, I'm impressed with this.
I mean, what do we think? Do we think it's actually not terrible?
I think this is actually really good.
Oh.
How much was it?
Hold on. It was £3 plus delivery I think the delivery was about £3 as well. Hold on.
The carbon footprint on it is going to be quite enormous if it came from China, though.
Oh, massive. The pencil thing that they give you, the stylus, has, I don't know if you can see this on the video, probably not, but it's gone blunt.
Already?
It's like been filed away.
Yeah.
Where we've been drawing with it. So I can't imagine it would actually last that long. I feel like you need like a stylus sharpener, like a pencil sharpener or something.
Yeah.
Gets ever blunter.
That's such a shame, though, isn't it? It was nice and fine at the start, but yeah, there's plastic flakes coming off it.
Yeah, another reason you probably wouldn't want to give it to a kid or something, like you don't know where that plastic's come from or
China,
whether it's safe. Anyway, the little extra bit that we only noticed afterwards. So marks knocked off.
How many marks out of 10? Mark? What do you mean marks?
Do we need to rate these things? Do we need to start that? Should we start giving our little product reviews a rating?
How many unusables do you give it? 5 unusables out of 10 unusables.
I think it's pretty much junk. I would give this. I would give it 4 usables out of 10 because it does what it's supposed to do, but I'm not sure what it does is actually that useful. I can't imagine using this over like just making a note on my phone or something.
But this won't run out of battery. Although it will run out of battery because it has a battery.
But the battery, I think, is only used for resetting it. So you're never going to lose your notes.
True.
Actually, it's a good point. I think it'd be really easy to accidentally press that. In fact, it looks like
if you put that in your pocket.
It looks like a home button, doesn't it, on a device?
Yeah. I think it's too easy to erase everything.
Yes.
Isn't it? Because you could write something really important on there.
Yes.
And, oops, you catch that button in your pocket and it's gone.
Except you can see the kind of faint scratch from where you've written it.
Oh, right.
So maybe you could retrieve a little bit of your information.
It's scratched.
Slightly.
Every time you write on it, it scratches it.
It looks like it.
Oh, this is rubbish. Might want to change your score.
Absolute rubbish. No, I still think 4 out of 10. I mean, it kind of does what it's supposed to do.
Yeah.
It's a little novelty gizmo. It kind of works, but it's kind of useless at the same time.
Does it prevent you from worrying about pigment or radiation?
No. No, it doesn't actually. Actually, importantly as well, we've found out because of the bits that are coming off the end of the pencil thing, it does actually produce dust.
It does!
If one of my troubles is dust, then it's
adding to it.
Helping.
Also, you don't know if it's radioactive or not.
I don't.
It might be radioactive dust.
Also, this is definitely clutter. I am never going to use it. So going back to the original thing, then if I'm worried about pigment, dust, pencil, clutter and radiation, we've established that probably dust and clutter and possibly radiation are still concerns. I don't know, I assume it means like the environmental impact of pigment, what it's made from.
Or maybe. Or just stains.
Yeah? Are you worried about stains? Not the place.
I was writing a message to the YouTube watcher.
To the YouTube watcher.
That's you watching it right now.
Thanks for watching. I hope you enjoyed that.
Bye and subscribe!